good, people? Welcome to the first episode of Football Shirt Friday. This is episode one, of course. I'm just gonna blab on a bit about what I will be doing with this Football Shirt Friday. Just literally every Friday or every other Friday, I will be releasing a video just showing a football shirt I have in my collection. The reason behind this is because people like to see football shirts, wear football shirts, collect football shirts. I collect them slightly different to other people. I like collecting them and putting outfits together, like proper outfits. So what I'll be doing is just explaining kind of what type of outfit I'll be wearing with this football shirt, type of, jeans, trainers, etc. Just to let people kind of know a bit more about how to kind of wear these football shirts. Because you don't have to wear football shirts and look ugly. You can actually make it a thing. So I'm not really a trendsetter or anything, but I hope I can kind of make it my thing. So this one is an AC Milan shirt from, I believe, last season or the season before, most likely last season. I love this color. Well, it's a normal AC Milan color, but the way the color is, the red is not a crazy bright red. It looks a bit bright on the camera. It's actually not the same brightness. It's a bit more darker, so like a blood red, let's say. Very classic colorway. You can wear this with grey jeans, black jeans. I wouldn't really wear this with blue jeans. That's a no from me. And also, I did pick up a pair of trainers, which I actually noticed after go very well with this shirt. And the reason behind that is because one, they're Pumas, and two, look at the colorway. They match 100%. I will be doing I will be wearing these as an outfit when lockdown tier 5, whatever tier we're going to be in, tier 150 finishes, if it ever does. If not, then I'll be wearing them, just to take pictures in or whatever. But I think this will look very well with some nice biker jeans, so keeping up the stripes. People don't really like biker jeans, so you can wear just normal black jeans. I think it'll look really good with these trainers, all black trainers with a bit of red. I think it'll look amazing. This shirt actually has a name set on the back, which I'm not really a fan of name sets, but I got this shirt cheap, so I thought, let me just get a name set. So the name set does have a bit of, it is white. So like Fly Emirates, it's white. So you could do grey jeans and white Nike Air Force Ones. Nice and simple. Nice and classic. I'll try to put some more shots of the shirt just to kind of, give everyone a closer look. And I think I'm going to keep on doing this Football Shirt Friday. So let's see how far it goes, or let's see how long I keep this up for, really. Sorry, I just had a bit of couldn't get my words out. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. I shouldn't have to say that. Like it if you want it, don't like it, do whatever. Please subscribe, man. I'm trying to get to 1K. Well, I hope you liked the video. Take care, guys.